Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors, young and old. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a very quick mail call. And this came in, and as well, we will get into a little bit about bullion for the US and Canada, and we'll talk all about that just after this. Welcome back. We'll start off with opening this package. Now, this package is a bit frustrating for me because I have, as you may recall, I have been unemployed for a while, but I start back on Monday. I haven't received my first paycheck, and I forgot to cancel a subscription. And so they took the money out of my account and sent me this, leaving me a little bit short this month. But fortunately, I start work on Monday, and as this video is going out Sunday, I start work tomorrow. So wish me luck. Anyway, we'll open this, and of course, I'll break open this because they've taped it in such a way that it was problematic. And of course, we'll go here. Bubble wrap. I don't know why they don't start using paper instead of plastic. So I'll just verify. All that's left in here is the obligatory paperwork. I'll deal with that later. And what did we get from subscription? This is the American 2023 1-ounce silver proof coin. And 2023 American Eagle 1-ounce proof coin. And holy cow, that's really in there. So that's when I do this. I'll take this out and push from behind to get it out. Because it is there we go. And what we have here is an American Silver Eagle. And this has, and don't be confused because that is not a W Mint mark. That's Alfred Wyman's signature initials. And we'll turn it over and flip like an American coin, Bruce. And yes, this is a W. How cool is that? This is the 2023 American Eagle. Now, isn't that beautiful? So that's my mail call for today. And I'll give you the American Eagle 1-ounce silver proof coin. It is 4 nines fine, or 3 nines fine, my bad, is 1.598 inches or 40.6 millimeters, 1 troy ounce. The edges reeded is from the West Point Mint with a mint mark of a W. And I'll let you read that. If you want to pause it and read it. And likewise that. So that is my lovely 2023 proof coin. I'll put this in here and There. So I mentioned at the beginning of this video that I was going to talk about bullion, US and Canadian. And of course, this is the 2021 silver proof. I bought this one first, and then I saw another one on sale. Well, it wasn't on sale; it was for sale, but it was for a reasonably good price. And I got this one, thinking that that would complete the set of the two Silver Eagles. So I was really beating myself up for getting this because I already had this. Now, how dumb was that? But what I didn't realize is I had previously purchased. So for beating myself up for several months, I was going through my coin collection and I found this. It is an MS-70 First Day of a Eagle Type 2 2021. So I have successfully gotten both Type 1 and Type 2 for 2021. I'm so happy. I don't have to spend any more money. I was thinking I would still have to buy this one. But that's the frustration when you can't remember what you've done a month ago. And of course, these are by different graders. I think this one's NGC and this one's PCGS, so they don't exactly fit each other. But that's my story about my American silver bullion that I have for you today. I also want to talk to you about Canadian silver bullion. And we all know this is the typical maple leaf with the maple leaf privy. And of course, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on it. And everybody knows that. And you also know that we have a polar bear version of bullion, and I've shown you on this channel previously. But did you know that the polar bear is not the only variation that the Royal Canadian Mint has ever released? There are, I don't know how many they've released in total, but here we go. We have here, and I'm going to, and this is an eagle. I don't know if it's a bald eagle, but it's an eagle because bald eagles live in Canada too. It's not our official bird. The Canada goose is our official bird. And of course, this is a 2014 coin, bullion coin. So there's the eagle. And we have here a buffalo. And this one is 2013. And we have, I'm not sure if it's a wolf or just a dog who's attacking. I would guess that it's a wolf, and this one is toning. I don't know if you can see that. I guess you can see that a little bit. It's tanning a gold color. And of course, this one has a watermark, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't. But this one has not the watermark, the privy mark of the maple leaf. And this one's from 2018. And it is toning. with that. If it's a wolf, it's a long-haired wolf. That's why I wasn't sure if it was a wolf or a dog. Now, if anybody knows whether this is a bald eagle or not, leave that in the comments. And whether this is a wolf or not, leave that in the comments. But I just wanted to show you that Canada has released a variation of alternative bullion that can be collected. Currently, it is the polar bear, but there is the eagle, the buffalo, and the wolf that I have in my collection. And I just wanted to show that to you. How cool is that? Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
Close your eyes. Is it just you who's too proud?